एक्सीलेंट क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम चित्र देखकर कहानी कैसे लिखें इस बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। अक्सर एग्जाम में या टेस्ट में कई बार चित्र देखकर कहानी लिखने के लिए आती है और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज भी हो जाते हैं कि कैसे लिखा जाए कहानी को। इसलिए इस वीडियो में हम चित्र देखकर इंग्लिश में कहानी कैसे लिखें ये सीखेंगे। The name of the story is The Delicious Apple. Once upon a time, Mr. Rao went to the market and brought a shiny red apple. It was the most delicious apple he had ever tasted. He couldn't wait to share it with his two sons, Raman and Karan. In this picture, Raman, the elder brother, is shown as the generous brother. When he went home, here it means father. Father went home, he showed the apple to his two sons. Raman, the elder brother, was excited to taste it. But instead, he gave the apple to his younger brother, Karan, to eat. Karan was surprised and grateful for his brother's kindness. In this segment, let us see how did Karan find the apple. The humble apple. As Karan took a bite of the apple, he noticed something strange. The apple tasted different from any other apple he had ever eaten. It was sweet, but not too sweet, and it had a unique flavor that he couldn't quite describe. Now let us see what is the secret ingredient of the apple. Dad overheard their conversation. There it means Karan and Raman, and smiled. He said, the secret ingredient in that apple is humility. It was grown by a farmer who always puts others before himself, and that is why it tastes so special. Now let us know what is the moral of the story. Raman and Karan were amazed. They had never heard of an apple grown with humility before. They realized that the reason the apple tasted so good was that it was grown with love and kindness. They learned that being humble and putting others first is the key to happiness. Now let us see what did Raman and Karan promise. The humility apple tree. From that day on, Raman and Karan made a promise to always be humble and kind to others. They even planted a humility apple tree in their backyard to remind them of the lesson they learned. The tree grew tall and strong, and every year it produced the most delicious apples anyone had ever tasted. Spread love and kindness. This they love from the apple. And so Raman and Karan lived happily ever after, always remembering the lesson they learned from the humility apple. They grew up to be kind and humble adults, and they always shared their apples with others, spreading love and kindness wherever they went.